Identify the button on your wiper arm. Press it to release the wiper blade. Push and slide to release the wiper blade. Before lowering the wiper arm, place a cloth on your windshield to avoid damage. If your wiper blade includes the innovative wear indicator, remove the yellow sticker from the blade. Attach your new wiper blade to the arm. Gently lower your newly installed wiper blade. Repeat previous steps to install your passenger side wiper blade. Test to ensure your new wiper blades are installed properly.